Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:09 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over East Pass at Destin, or over Destin, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include West Choctawhatchee Bay, Highway 331 Bridge, Shalimar, Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef, Destin, East Pass at Destin, East Choctawhatchee Bay, Okaloosa Pier and Mid-Bay Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Florida and the adjacent coastal waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: western Choctawhatchee Bay, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. This is no